Hey everyone! Today, I'm super excited to share a soft glam makeup look that's perfect for date nights, parties, or any elegant event. This look is all about soft definition, warm tones, and a flawless finish. Plus, I'll be reviewing some of my go-to beauty products to achieve this effortlessly chic style. Let's dive in. Alright, let's start with the base. A smooth, long-lasting base is key, so I'm using Primer Name. It blurs pores and keeps your makeup in place all night. Next up, I'm applying Foundation Name. This semi-matte foundation gives a soft focus, airbrushed effect and has buildable coverage. Apply it evenly and blend, blend, blend. Now for the eyes. I'm starting with a neutral brown shade in the crease to add depth. Today, I'm using Eyeshadow Palette Name, which has the perfect warm browns and soft golden tones. Then I'm adding a shimmer or satin shade on the lid for some dimension. Blend everything together for that soft, diffused effect. Time to define those lashes. I'm using Mascara Name for volumized, clump-free lashes. You can also opt for False Lashes Name if you want that extra glam touch. Don't forget to tightline with your favorite eyeliner for added depth. Let's move on to contouring and highlighting. I'm using Bronzer Name to lightly sculpt my cheekbones and jawline. Then I'm applying Highlighter Name on the high points of my face, cheekbones, nose, and Cupid's bow, for a subtle, radiant glow. A little blush goes a long way. I'm using Blush Name in a warm peach or rose tone to add some warmth and freshness. Apply it upwards for that youthful lifted look. For the lips, I'm going with a soft matte finish. I'm using Lipstick Name in a nude or soft pink shade. Line your lips with Lip Liner Name to enhance the shape and longevity. And that's the finished, soft glam makeup look, effortlessly elegant and perfect for any special occasion. Let me know in the comments which product was your favorite or if you'd love to see more glam looks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.